Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how ALRAJHI Capital App review to save it what you're using. So to get started, we'll quick in-depth review about ALRAJHI. ALRAJHI Capital is a powerful investment app fund from Saudi Arabia, leading financial institution. It supports trading on the Third Saudi stock market, Gulf, and a growing number of international market. Users enjoy the real-time code and smart swipe order payment, detailed portfolio chart, and a seamless access to mutual fund and robo-advisor under a mashura. The interface is clean and intuitive, and the notification alert should to the market changes, making it easy for both seasoned investors and beginners to manage their investment. But it is not without issues. Several users report performance problems such as slow update, freezing during order placement, and app crashes, especially on Android device. Another common complaint is the delay in reflecting fund after selling, which can limit active trading flexibility. So while ALRAJHI Capital is a comprehensive and a professional trading tools, it's worth being aware that the app stability and responsiveness may vary depending on your device and trading activities. So that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. And that's it.